Let's go eat some balut, guys. That's my balut. Kung mukaon kag balot, kinahanglan na kay suka og asin. And that's my balut look like. I'm craving for balut, so I have no idea if it's already done or not. Anyway, I bought it in the Asian store. So let's go see if it's taste. Honey, you want some balut?
No, baby.
So let's go have some balut Pinoy.
Thank you, but no. I'm gonna stick to the American food like that.
So, alima. Ha? Di ka mukaon? So, my mama is not eating. She's a Filipino, but dili siya mukaon. So, we will see. Ani, can you give me some spoon, please? And then a spoon. Then give me a spoon only, please. I'm craving for balot.
Yeah, honey.
Can you give me the one over there, the Pyrex? The blue one, Pyrex, please? Yes, please.
All right.
Halima, dapat ka na sa video. Let's go, guys. This is the balot. This one. Look. See, you can see it. It's still hot. I got it in the Asian store. So, I'm craving it. So, to satisfy sa akong pag-crave, so kinahanglan mo palit kog balot. So, but I'm the only one who ate balot here. So, let us see first. Remy, can you show your... I'm not gonna say it. No, he just only his body. So, and this is my vinegar. So, ako ning ibutang sa dinhi sa akong Pyrex. So, it's easy to scoop it. Like, okay, not too much. Remy, gonna have that? No, baby. So, it's still hot. So, you see this? I cannot eat all of this. I have five ballots, see? But I cannot eat all of this. I'm just trying and satisfied sa ako ang murag gimingaw jud kog balot ba. 'Di ba? Sa Cebu daghan kay nino. Pero diri sa Amerika dagko kay ilang balot tanawa. Pagkadagko ah. So I know ang ubang mga tao dili mo kaon kay na ako ni piso. There's a balot Pinoy. And then there's a balot with a little piso. Pero yung balot sa little bit nga kuan sa a little bit nga piso na ay may pila ka days, pero sa Amerika man ta kahibalo kung pila gud ni ka days. So I cannot really say right now, it's still hot. Woo-hoo. But look at my soy as my vinegar is a lot of pepper. So let's have balot and let's go. Ay, still hot. But you know what? Lami ning kauno ng init kay para ma-satisfied ka ba? Sa mga Bisaya pa, balot man gud siya. Maurag hapon ni sa. Murag luto naman din siya. Uy, kaya murag nagalig na buslot o. Murag ni crack na siya ba? So, kanang ubang tao nga di mo ka og balot, sorry na. Kaya ako mukaon jud kog balot. So, we're gonna crack it. It's hot, so I need to put some paper towel on my hand.
You warmed up your dough?
Because it's cold.
Woohoo!
Oh, okay, okay. I got you, girl.
Okay. Remy, let me taste. Mari, sure ka di ka makaon, ma? We put some vinegar. It's
Okay.
hot,
Yeah,
so
he has shorts on that one.
yeah. So I put some vinegar and salt. Okay? And then we need to like this one. You eat like this one. Like get the juice of the balut. Still hot. Yeah, still hot. So this is the way it looks like when you open it up. See? So let me. Ah, yummy. So then put another salt. Ah. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. So I'm gonna put another. I crack it and open it up. This is the way you open up. And this is the look. Ooh. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna eat now. I want you to see inside of this balut. Hold on first. Mayabok ng sabaw. See, that's the balut inside. There's a little check but that's not big. So that's the way it is look like. See? So mukhaon ka, butangan mo siya suka o asin nga gamay para ang flavor niya nga mo alimnam ba, mura jud lami ba. So I'm gonna start eating now, guys. And this is my salt, my vinegar. So put salt again, then the juice. Mmm. Ah. So. Remy, you want some balut, Remy? Ma, video ka mukhaon? Si mama murag ako, na-annoyed na nako siya, kako siya gigitawag ba? There's a big chicks inside there. Okay. Already again, this almost finished. I cannot eat all of that. I'm just gonna eat one for today or two. This is my first one, huh? So see, this is the yellow part of the balut. The egg part. This is a little bit of chicks. Yummy. Then this is the juice. And you put it in the ko siyang butangan o gamay nga suka ni ang itlog. Ang yang yellow ba? Butangan og asin. Nya, kaon. Dagko kay balot sa Amerika. Balot sa Pilipinas gagmay man. Mahal pa jud. Mahal gyapon. Kay dagagmay man diri dagko man. Nya. Mao ni siya ang hard part niya o sa balot ay sa. Nani siya kanang itlog nga murag na siya yellow. Kahit man po nun eh. My husband said, oh no, he loves to eat Filipino food, but not the balut. I asked him to try, even though a little bit, get the juice. He doesn't want it. He said, he can eat some Filipino food, but except the balut. Hey, how's some husband that have you tried the balut? Do you like it? I say this is the hard egg on the balut. See? That's the hard part of the balut. But I'm still eating this one, so I'm gonna dip with vinegar. Then this one tastes like rubber. There is a little bit of chicken, but not big. Chicks, duck. No, this is not a chicken. This is a duck. Remy doesn't want it. Mali, mahalo ka na coke, ma. Oh. Ali, inam ta sa coke, hati tali na. So this is my second one. This is my second one, guys. See one, my second one of my balot. This is my dinner now. What time na? 5 o'clock or so. You know what? When you eat balot, you're gonna make you full. Satisfied sa imong hungry, di nakagutumon. Kailan? Nutrition, a lot of nutrients ba ng balot? So you need to put salt again. This is my second one. Then vinegar. Blip. Then you need to step it up. I know. Ano man ka ma? Di makamukaon hani ma. Sa may reason ni mo ma?
Mahadlo ko piso.
Mado ka, wala man ay piso.
Ay, dili lang.
Ha?
Di ko.
Ano sa kamera? O tanawad rin. Aba, akong mama, madlo ko no siya sa piso.
Di ko mukhaon na ana.
Ha?
Di ko mahadlo ko piso.
Wala man ay piso. Uy,
Ay, sus, biskan.
try oh.
Ay, no. Di ko.
Pag abli ng cook palihog, bi. Madlo ko siya.
Mahadlo ko ana. Kadi magani ko sa Pilipinas, di magani ko mukhaan og na ay piso. Ay, ginoo ko. Dili.
Gamay raman na nga kuan. Nga kabalo ka sa dak man na. Gamay raman kay nao. Di man na dako. I have all this. See?
Bisan pa.
See, look at that one. Hold on, excuse us. So, see? So, and with Coke, shush. Naman na lang. Ito lang ang pantagan sa Remington. My second one. So, the pepper is so spicy man, oy. Okay, balot. Nak, do you wanna eat balot, Nak? I know you don't eat balot. Mm. 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 See. Wala man ay pisto. Oh, tanawa ka din. Yellow man na, oh. Itlog naman na, oh. Talaw mo, oh.
Ay, ang sungog yun. Ay,
Wala man ay sungo, eh. And with matching Coca-Cola. See? My mama said like, uh-oh. See? Wala man ay pisto. Mama, wala naman na.
Oh, no.
Di na pisto, uy. Di man ni kagamay raman kay ni siya pisto. Kay di man ni ka nang palit ka manguta na makagdako gamay ba?
nakanaan ng piso.
Wala na galit na yung pisto.
Asa
Tanawa,
ni piso, ana?
I'm feeling it now. Para ko nagikuanan siya kay para
Para ala iba. Excuse.
lang na diha na. That's the hard thing part man. O kanang tigas na siya ba? Pero ako may mo ni siyang panitan kay para makaon ni mo.
Give Mama Lola.
Mama, imong kamot na sa camera. Ah, my nose is just dripping because halang sa suka ba? Nga ano, panangusan siya nga suka dato nga spices baka nang pinalit pa ako sa Asian store yapon.
Pinakarat.
Pinakurat ay mas ano ni siya, mas more spicy ni siya. So it's hard to peel it na. Oh,
Baka ang panggahe.
tastes like rubber pero butangan man imong suka siya. Guys, pasensya. Kay dugay gud siya mahuman na akong kable. Yes. Rubber taste. My mama. Oh. Mao ka lagi ma'am.
Di ko gani.
Sure good ka?
Higo pa na sa baw, oh.
Man ang ibutang gid anak ko dinhi wala naman ay piso. Oh, itlog naman lang na see. You see that one is only the yellow and the white one. The white one is tastes like rubber, but sorry po my murag kalat-kalat na ba, di ba? So then I need to put more of vinegar. Oh. So, see that?
Like on your video, there's a little camera there. You can push that button to take a picture of what the video instead of snapshot. Yeah, upload that as your thumbnail.
See na. So this is my second one, ha? See? Balot. Sige. Kung naling ko ano na, ha? Duhor akong limit. Uy, kay, asa naman yung coke na ko.
Ano na langgaw?
Huh? I need to, this is the vinegar. So, I need to finish it. See?
Usara?
Vinegar, I need to put it again. No, this is the second one. So, ay, balot, balot.
Ang uban di mo mukhaon ang gahe.
Umukha ko na eh. Apel sa bayad. Mama, may sa di ko na ko na ng gahe.
Oo, ang uban di mukhaon.
Kung mukhaon kag balot nga Pinoy, mura na kag nagkaog regular nga itlog. Wala kay di ka masatisfied sa imong kan. See?
Mahurot mi mo na, oh.
Ang
Ina, oh.
nag-crack na di siya, mama. Ay, mauday nagtubig na siya kay nag-crack.
Di, kanaan na lang na.
No. I cannot finish I have 3 left, see? I have 3 left. So, I cannot eat 5 in
Ugma na sad na.
tomorrow. Yeah. or else I'm gonna bring it to work. Maybe some of my coworker, Ti Ila, maybe she gonna eat balot. And Ate Helen. I need to put, yeah, Ate Helen and Ate Ila. So, I'm gonna bring it to work tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. So, I have 3 left balut. So, I'm working tomorrow. So, ako i-share. So, at least, nag-satisfied ang akong ipangita nga mukaon gid ko. Alright, guys? Thank you for listening and watching for this vlog about my balut. My husband doesn't wanna eat. My mama doesn't wanna eat. So, it's only me is enjoying my balut. But at least my husband doesn't say nothing. Don't eat that. So he doesn't stop me to eat balut. So thank you, honey. All right. See you next time. That's it from now. See, if you want some balut, you can go to the Asian store, and then they have it like for $1.59 each. So, but when you go there, you just ask which you want the big. I don't want to eat the bigger one. Just give you like the small duck inside, or you want the bigger duck. They have by number. So, want to eat? See, look at my plate. See, and I still have some 3 left over. So, any Asian store have balut. So, and then my vinegar, it's already finished. So, no more na. So, in any Asian store, it's $1.59. But when you're buying it, I always ask, I don't want to be the big duck inside. It's only a little. So, that's why I got it. But, it just tastes good though. Alright.